This is the real Avid pistol tool, the first multi-tool designed to work on all striker fires, 1911s, and revolvers. This compact profile houses 19 precision tools, non-marring bushing wrenches for both 1911 government and officer models. 4 onboard Bondus Protanium hex keys for adjusting all laser sighting systems. Stored in the handle are flat, Phillips, hex, and Torx bits with ball detents that lock into a 2.5-inch long bit driver. A detachable pin punch makes takedown easy. Paired with a tap hammer for stubborn pins.
An 832 threaded receiver pivots from the handle and accepts standard gun cleaning elements like rods and brushes.
A non-hardened stainless steel pick scraper combination cleans crud from slide rails and other hard-to-reach places. There's a rugged 3-inch titanium-coated Tonto-style knife. And a fine-tooth metal file. An incredible number of tools compact enough to fit in your mag pouch. The real Avid pistol tool. It keeps your trigger finger happy.
Whether crafting, creating, repairing, or rebuilding, it's amazing what you can do when you put your mind to it. All it takes is unwavering perseverance and the right tool in your hands. When you combine your creativity and know-how with a Leatherman, you have the confidence you need to take on whatever arises in your everyday, real life. No matter what real life entails, your Leatherman is right there by your side, helping you tackle challenges, go on adventures, and excel under pressure. Together, you and your Leatherman become a powerful force. Leatherman, for real life.
CRKT.
The Guppy from CRKT was designed by Lance Barber and Tom Stokes. It's a hard-working multi-tool with dozens of everyday uses. The adjustable wrench jaw opens to a 1/2 inch for light repair and assembly jobs. A high-carbon 2-inch stainless steel blade can be opened and closed easily using the blade slot. The removable bit carrier is a high-intensity LED light and has 2 locator posts and strong magnets to hold it securely to the Guppy's side. The removable bit and driver are held securely in place in the tail of the body. The stainless steel clip will hold the Guppy in your pocket or gear and can also be used as a money clip. The carabiner detent will open bottle caps and metal jar lids. The Guppy is a versatile multi-tool that is a convenient carry option for a variety of everyday tasks.
Life isn't a popularity contest. It's not an act, and it's certainly not fair. It's not a fad, it's not a fashion statement, and it's not about pretending to have all the answers or claiming to be real. Life is blood and guts and sweat. It's hard work, true heart, pure grit. And it's time someone set the record straight. Introducing Center Drive from Gerber. With a first-of-its-kind full-size driver on the center axis that uses standard bits. A full-size outboard knife that's 30% longer than the competition with reverse thumb support. Plus, spring-loaded pliers. And they're all accessible with a flick of your thumb. The Multitool just got a reality check.